Welcome back again to another video. Here at Stance Addicts. You already know we got another banger on the way. If you guys haven't yet checked out the other YouTube videos I got, make sure to go to my channel. We got some cool stuff happening to this SRT4. And finally today, guys, is the day. We're excited to get this engine inside my engine bay. We're gonna put this engine bay inside with the help of my boys right here, Angel and Yuri in the building. The engine all assembled already, clutch in. Everything is on clutch. After almost 4 years, I don't want to pass that, so I want to put it in. But you guys can tell, I'm gonna show you guys in a bit of what I have done already. And then we're gonna slap that engine inside, guys. Let's get it. Guys, check it out. You guys can tell the engine is assembled completely. I have the clutch in, new. Everything's in. My turbo. Oh my God, this thing looks so beautiful, guys. Like this content, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Always, guys. Let's get it. But look at that. It is ready to get slapped in. All right, guys, a little pointer with this fourth mount from Ricky Fabs. Make sure you gotta cut a little plastic on the timing belt cover to make it fit properly. That's something I found out later. So there you guys have it. But check it out, guys. I have the brackets in here ready to go. Everything is ready. So I'm super excited to get that engine in. Big shout out to all those followers, subscribers that have been following my project here. Appreciate every single one of you. Comment down below. Let me know any tips I should do before I start this engine, because tonight this engine's gonna go in. So let's quit the talking, let's get it in, let's go. So right now, what we're gonna do, bro, we're gonna move that gato out of the way. All right. We're gonna move it this way. All right, we gotta move the engine. This is our first time putting this engine back in this car, bro. We never done this in our lives. This is our first time messing with an engine outside the bay. So far, we're ready to slap this thing inside. Hopefully, everything goes good. All right, guys, we're up this high. We're about 5 feet up in the air. Let's go, boy. I don't know how high this thing goes. It's almost high enough, bro.
Yeah, that'll clear it right there, bro. That'll clear it.
All right, check it out.
Oh, you're way above that.
All the things are gonna be swinging.
Hey, you have to move all these cables out of the way. You're gonna get in the way.
Is it over?
Nah.
Whoa! Whoa!
Easy.
That's why you make a cut right there and you act like something happened. We go to commercial. Well, that's a tight ass fit.
It's gonna be so tight.
You're gonna have to
like lean it in.
Lean it back. This way, make sure it goes in straight.
Yeah. Alright. Do this very slowly. Alright, chill.
Pull it that way.
Pull out.
Yeah, pull out a little bit. Alright, pull it out a little bit. Alright, fuck yeah, right there.
Right there.
Oh yeah.
Slowly. Alright.
Don't go too fast. This is our first time.
This is our first time, bro.
Alright, I don't know about the clearance in the back though.
Once you
Push it from up here so that you want it to go in straight. You know what I'm saying? Because right now it's kind of leaning towards this way, so it has to be like. Hold this. You want it to come in like fucking. I don't know if you want it. Well, that's now it's straight.
Yeah, that was better. That was kind of scary, but it's still better.
Go in good, bro. Watch your fingers.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
Now we gotta wait for that turbo part over here.
Hold on. Pull this part closer.
Ready?
There you go.
Okay, so we gotta push it out.
Yeah.
It ain't good?
Yeah. Over here.
What about right there in the front? Yeah, good.
Yeah, we're good right here. Look, barely fits in there. Ready?
No, hold on.
Watch your fingers.
Well, this is it. Okay. Pull those things out. Then we gotta push it this way. And once we clear that. Oh, fuck yeah. Got this.
Sir, let's go, buddy.
Yeah, I think it's
Good. Yeah, it's good.
Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers.
Fingers. Watch the paint. Fuck your fingers.
Watch your fingers. Watch my fingers.
Oh, buddy, chill. What's going on, bud?
Lift it up.
What happened? What happened?
Yeah, fucking car seat is like chilling straight on the fucking frame.
Hold on.
Right there.
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
There, you're good.
We gotta align this hole to this right here.
Which hole?
That
Where's,
little hole?
where's the bolt?
Damn, that shit looks like there's not a lot of space.
That is not a lot of space at all. How the fuck are you gonna put the bolt in here?
Blanket so we can see. How do you feel like things are going right now?
I feel like it's going pretty smooth, actually.
You do?
Yeah, like we haven't got any like chips or fingers busted yet.
Let's go.
You know, but I'm still worried a little bit.
All right.
But look at the engine, guys. Check it out, dude. This looks so fucking amazing.
Clean, boy.
What happened? Guys, it's gonna look good. The good color combo, white and matte.
No, yeah. This guy's an apprentice, so he's still learning. This is really like his third day on the job. Plus, he's drinking.
I did the whole build myself. What do you mean?
Yes, sir. That's what she said.
Should we move it more that way or what?
That's what she said.
Yeah, you have to.
Yuri, grab it.
She said.
What? Talking about, man? Well, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Alright, go. You're gonna have to lift it up a little bit. You're gonna have to.
Did you get it?
Alright.
Is it in there?
It's in there, but
We gotta lower it?
now you gotta move the. So the engine right now is like this.
Yeah, so we gotta lower it a little bit.
Yeah.
So you can push it.
Yeah.
This is a hard procedure, guys.
Alright. You gotta push it more this way.
You
Though.
need another hand over here.
Lift it up a little bit.
I can't. I only have one hand.
Lift this up a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
All right, guys, we're gonna try to put this bolt inside the bracket, and we'll get back at you guys as soon as we get this done. All right. Finally, after a long ass 3 hours of just struggling to fit this tranny mount in there, finally put it in place. It was a struggle, big fight. Thanks to my homie Angel for having patience
And beer.
and beer. Take a look at this. Let me show you guys a close up here. Bam, there you guys have it. The engine is mounted in there already. All the motor mounts are in. So the only motor mount we need is just the K-frame mount on the bottom, but that's in the end, you know. But the tranny's on, mount, fourth mount, tranny mount, everything is complete, guys. So it's time to get it off the cherry picker. Hey, what's up, guys? It's the next day. Unfortunately, that's all we did last night. You got the engine in, guys. I'm freaking excited. I've never been happier in my life, dude. This is so amazing, guys. It's just unbelievable, you know what I'm saying? Waking up and seeing your engine in the car is just a whole different sight, you know. And big shout out to Yuri and Angel for helping me out. I couldn't do it without them, you know what I'm saying? And it was trouble, guys, I'm telling you. The hardest part was trying to mount it in the motor mount. That was the hardest part. And now we got some bad news. I have to take the tranny off again, you know, and I have a bad throwout bearing. This is my first time seeing throwout bearings, you know what I'm saying? If you guys didn't know, this is my first time like installing an engine in here, you know. I looked at my old throwout bearing, it was right here. See? There's a clip that was broken, and then the new one that came with my clutch, it was broken too. So I thought that was normal, even though it looked kind of funky. But rookie mistake, guys. Always do your research, search it. You know, it'll save you a lot of time. So now I have to remove my tranny, pull it down. I got the new part, and I also, yeah, you know, I upgraded my tranny mount. So we're gonna install this bad boy right here. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't want to take the tranny off again just to install that motor mount. So far, guys, I'm amazed. This engine looks so good in my engine bay. I'm gonna end this video like this. We got the engine in, as you guys can see right here is proof of the engine's in, but it's not complete yet. We're still gonna take the tranny off, install the throwout bearing, and put it back up, and install the rest of the components here. The intercooling piping, the axles, and that should and relocating my battery to that side over there. And that should be about it. You guys let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. I think it looks marvelous, dude. This is super cool, man. It's just a whole different feeling when it's in there, you know? Wow, guys. But next video, we'll be installing the new tranny mount, throwout bearing, looking on the rest of the sensors and all that stuff. And hopefully, if nothing goes wrong, we'll be firing it up this weekend, which you guys probably see it, the video sometime next week or week or two. Thank you guys for tuning in, watching me and the gang putting in the engine in. I'm super hyped up. I hope you guys are too. And if you love these videos, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, hit the notification button so you'll never miss another video, because this thing is gonna be fired up in about 2 weeks. You guys will see that video, but yeah, guys, this is gonna be epic. So you don't want to miss this video. First time in 3 or 4 years that this is gonna be running. If you guys have any tips, pointers on how to do an engine break-in or startup, let me know in the comments down below. That'd be so helpful, guys. I really appreciate every single one of you. And if you guys haven't followed me on TikTok yet, make sure to hit us up at Stance Addicts. You already know the name. Guys, have a good weekend. Stay positive, stay active. And like that, guys, till next time. Yeah.